Alright, this is simple. Every tire has a PSI, max, load, regular, how much air you need. Now as you can see, this one, this is a German car and it says 670 load. And then here, it doesn't say, it says 1477 pounds. PSI max, press. See, it doesn't really give you any info. So what you want to do, all right, check this out. Every vehicle has this right there. You see that sticker right there? See that little tire? It shows you how much your car weighs. Now there's a lot of private info. In a newer car like this, it has a lot of private info that can be used to hack a vehicle and stuff. That's a different video. But check this out. It has a tire pressure, the weight of a vehicle. What else does it have? What kind of tires you need. It has all that info right there, and it's simple. I ain't even lying to you. It's simple. Let me show you right quick. No, I can't. All right, maybe. I'll go real careful, like. Right there. Shows you this 32 PSI. Most vehicles are around 32 to 35 PSI per tire, unless you have a pickup that's maybe a little different, but every vehicle has that. So it's late at night, everybody is asleep. I'm out here being creepy, extra creepy tonight. No, I'm kidding. Look at this. This is salt, literally. Salt literally destroys a vehicle, especially if you live in the Midwest and stuff. Tire pressure. Get good tires, and tire pressure is important. A lot of people in the hood, a lot of people driving around with flat tires. You see people standing in the middle of the road with the flat tires. A tire should never go flat. You understand me? I mean, really, check this out, really. But I'm going to just real quick tell you here, before I do anything, I'm going to tell you how to do this. This is easy. For exact measurement, contact your dealer. But this method works. Your car is designed. I'm going to pop this open. And every vehicle has the info right there. I'm not going to show you because I don't want you to hack my car. This car is connected to the internet and all that. Fancy smanty. But right there, you have your tire pressure. I'm not going to show you, but there's the tire pressure there. Everything you need is listed right there. The type of fuel you need, everything. Every vehicle. From, I believe, around late 80s. All you gotta do is pop this door and it's right there. Okay? Your tire measurement, your tire pressure, the type of tire you need, and the second thing is the type of gas you need for your vehicle. Okay? But check this out. So my car is real dirty right now, I'm telling you. It's been through hell and back. But it runs, no problems. You know what I mean? Lock it, boom, light goes off. Alright, hope that helped. Alright, so as you open this door, you'll find this little sticker right here. And you'll have your tire pressure, you'll have your vehicle type, weight, and you'll also have fuel type. Most vehicles, okay? Listen, I'm not gonna mess around with you. BMWs, VWs, they use different type of fuels. Cadillacs and, you know, your big SUVs, eco-friendly. So you really want to make sure you're using the right fuel. Check this out. I love this car. You see that light up? Yeah. I'm trying to show off. Not really. But really, check this out. This is your boy here. Thumb this video up if you my boy. I'm up here at the burbs. Not really, still trying to get to the burbs, but I'm halfway. But check this out. You want to find out what kind of fuel your car needs. If you really want specifics, I'm talking about specifics, contact your dealer. But this works just as good. Open your door. So it's right there. Boom. I'm not gonna come close, but your tire pressure, your vehicle information, your vehicle weight, the tire pressure necessary, how to mount up your tire, how to change a tire, because a lot of times when you're changing tires, be careful. Read the instructions, because sometimes I had a Lincoln Continental and I changed the tire and my back went. So I was driving like this with my back up like this. People are like, that ain't even gangster, that's crazy. I was driving my vehicle like this with my girlfriend. laughing at me. She broke up with me later. But anyway, if you're looking for tire pressure, you're looking for your, man, my kids. See, this is what I gotta put up with. But I love them. I love them. Gotta love them. Gotta love them. Right here, the second place is your fuel tank. Open your fuel tank. You should have a sticker there. It should tell you what type of fuel you need. This is important. The third place is your dash. Open your dash. Read your manual. Okay? It should be on your manual. Okay, pop that open and check that out. The fourth place is contact your dealer. Or you can always Google it. Alright? Alright. So as you can see, it's literally slipping. I'm slipping down. I'm sliding down this road. Be quiet. You. Alright, check this out. So what I'm trying to say is everything is slippery. You can't even walk down the street without falling down and breaking something. So be careful if you're out here. Not everybody in car business, alright, mechanics and auto business are scammers, okay? I just want to say this straight up. Most people are just trying to make their money. But what I'm trying to say is, look, do not get ripped off. Because tire companies and to use tires especially, you're buying junk. You're putting your life at risk. Look at this, all right? Look at this tire. You think it's going to do anything here? No. Your car is just going to slip and slide. Look at this. This is nothing but ice. Roads are covered in ice, so you need a good tire. And if you're buying a used tire, you're putting your family, your life at risk, and your girl at risk. Sorry, ladies. I mean, honestly, think about it. You think your girl want to be in a car with you? First off, you're driving a 2000 Civic. Beat up, rusted Civic. Yeah, it runs. But you think your lady's going to respect you? Trust me, she won't. She might hang with you, chill with you, because you young, you trying to come up. But then she going to realize that you ain't got nothing. Just like this tire. It's worthless. It's got no grip. See, when you buy a used tire, you got to watch out. Because it looks good before you mount the tire. This is important. People don't realize before you mount the tire, before you put air in your tire, yeah, it looks okay. It looks, wow, look at this. It's got a grip. It's got these suction cups. It's got depth to it. But then when you put the tire on, you put some air in it. And they don't put enough air in it anyway. You know, when you get a used tire, they don't put enough air in it. They just kind of make it look like, yeah, I get some McDonald's here real quick, but I want to say something, you know. I want to say that you watch your back. Watch out for this black ice. Black ice is hard to see. People crack their heads every single day just walking out to try to get to their car in the morning, especially up north, northwest, northeast. Lots of snow, lots of ice, black ice. It's deadly. People die every day. So you need a good tire. I ain't even lying. You need a good tire. And even if you buy a tire from a discount store, you got to watch out because you're buying a cheap tire that's going to be loud as hell. You go down the highway and it's going to go. You're going to go down the snow, bunch of rocks, and it's going to go. You know what I mean? You got to buy a good tire. A tire that's designed to sound good, grip, and last, and have a warranty on it. My kids are crying, so I gotta finish up. So what I'm trying to say is tires are everything. A good tire is everything. You don't necessarily need a four-wheel drive or big wheels, big tires, and all-wheel drives and big pickup trucks and Jeeps. You need a good tire, okay? I can guarantee you that. Being in the business for a very long time, I've changed hundreds of tires, okay? And I realize sometimes you're broke, you ain't got the money, you just got to make do, but you know what? You're putting yourself and your life at risk. So always have a good tire, have a spare, and have enough air in your tire also, okay? It doesn't have to rain. You don't have to see black ice or have a bunch of snow. You can just be driving down the street and you have a bad tire and it pops and you know what happens. Thousands and thousands of people die because of lack of knowledge. Thousands of people die every single year because of bad tires. So get yourself a good tire. Spend some money. Invest some money in yourself, in your vehicle. Make sure there's a warranty too. God bless. Bye-bye.